This is a brand old higher washing machine. Call it HK12002X VEME. Whoa, the best one. If you can see, there is a sparkler inside the washing machine. And the reason why, it is because the washing machine is empty. I took out the washing machine tub. And the reason why I did it is this. The washing machine tub is made from stainless steel. And that means that I can weld some car suspension springs to it and make the most bouncing washing machine tub in the whole universe. This is how it looks like at this moment. It seems like I need to add one spring here, but we will test it at this moment without it. The most problem on the destruction videos, when I personally do destructions, the first thing that fails is the belt, because the tub is shaking inside the washing machine and it hits some kind of metals and the belt got damaged and it fell off. I think we protected with the springs the belt, and the second problem always is the engine, because the engine breaks off from the brackets and then also the destruction is done. I think we are ready for a first test jump, and let's see how it will look. Whoa, that was loud. I think I need to add some bigger weight to it so it jumps more. Let's do it one more time. So the engine broke off. It's because a rusted bracket. We can fix that. So what happened here is now one spring break it off, or two of them break it off, and in the places where the springs are welded on, and when the tub jumped around, the springs made some dents in the tub, so the drum now is stuck in the places where the dents are. I gonna fix that problem. I think we gonna do some different test. power. No power. Where's the power? Scheiße. So, what I learned in this experiment, when you add some heavy springs to the washing machine tub, then it gets too heavy and it doesn't jump around so effectively because it is heavy, right? The other thing with the steel tub is if you add those springs, when it jumps on the ground on the springs, then it bends actually the tub and the drums start to stuck in it. Actually, at this point it is barely moving. So this is also some kind of fail. So today the video didn't go as I was planned. All the experiments didn't work so well, so I imagined they will be. But anyway, I will put some part of it on YouTube because YouTube is a place where you can post videos that are successful or not so successful, all kind of stuff, and to pump up my watch hours, and maybe this video will add 1 or maybe 2 subscribers for my channel. Anyway, this will be a video that will be get posted because my plan this year my YouTube channel gets start to be monetized. At this moment I have 629 subscribers and 2,700 watch hours. Most of the subscribers I can add with some short videos like this with the sparkle and the ice piece. That got me 11 subscribers just in few hours, and that's a normal number for a short video. So if you liked this video, please subscribe, leave some comments. Anyway, there will more videos. I have there one washing machine with a dryer, a combined washing machine that waiting the last moment of his life. We will make some other videos probably. I have a plan to make this year a special Christmas edition video, something like this that I made with this aquarium falling off and the stuff going around the washing machine self-destruction video. And yeah, I will keep doing what I'm doing. The plan is not to stick to the washing machines, but this is my way for the monetizing of my videos or to monetizing my YouTube channel. If you liked the video, please subscribe. You can support me with your subscription, make me get monetized faster. I hope this will happen this year. And see you in the next video.